We continue our topic about why mom has to reply. This is the usual question from the kids of 5 to 7 year old. So now we are opening the part of nature and earth. Why does the sun shine but the moon doesn't? The sun is a huge, incredibly hot star that creates its own light and heat. Inside the sun, powerful explosions and gas reactions release a massive amount of energy. It's like a giant eternal campfire in space. The moon is just a cold grey rock or satellite. It doesn't know how to glow on its own, just like any other stone. When you see the moon shining at night, you are actually seeing reflected light. The moon works like a giant space mirror that catches sunlight and bounces it back to Earth, allowing us to see its shape in dark of the night.